Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Diversity or diversity. Noun. The state of being different. Diverseness. Variety. Multifariousness. Fruition. Noun. Realization of something desired. Pleasurable use. The act of bearing fruit. Realization. Part of the diversity problem in America is that too many bright students from disadvantaged backgrounds are being excluded from higher education. The variety and complexity of its architecture are reflections of the diversity of its intermingled peoples. Authors are responsible for the lack of diversity in young people's literature. The diversity in our workshop had a significant impact on the process of learning. The artwork reflects the genetic and cultural diversity of the stories inherent in seeds. Indigenous communities are contributing to studies on biological diversity, birds, caribou, and reindeer, and human health, among other topics. How does the immune system act when faced with tumor cells? How does it exert pressure on the genetic diversity of cancer cells? There is a growing understanding that being transgender is just another normal variation of human diversity. One thing I wonder is how far does equality and diversity in the name of progress go in all areas of life? We run the risk of damaging critical ecosystems and radically diminishing the diversity of life on Earth. Explaining patterns of diversity is a central challenge of ecology and evolutionary biology. Further study is required to understand the reasons for this diversity of opinion within the advocacy community. Should a domestic biofuels industry come to fruition, the benefits will be felt far beyond the front lines. His dream of becoming a doctor came to fruition on May 20th when he graduated from Florida State College of Medicine. If this opportunity comes to fruition, will we still be able to live the life we want to live? So many lesson plans were never brought to fruition over the years due to the lack of student computers. Entrepreneurs who conceive an idea then nurse it day and night to bring it to fruition as a going concern. We focus on what happens after inspiration, researching the forces that truly push ideas to fruition. For many students, the program comes to its full fruition in the senior year. The obvious fruition of his foresight is a bunch of cars sitting on lots unsold. He hopes to recoup his £7,000 startup costs within the next 6 months and possibly sooner if negotiations on a couple of large deals come to fruition. But they need to be reassured that in all countries results from research tend to be indirect and to take time before they come to fruition.